So you want to know how to multiply large numbers. Well, first of all, I commend you for your willingness to learn advanced math topics. When you are an adult, you will most likely use a calculator to do these. But as a student, you have to make sure that you are learning the process of how to multiply these together using appropriate techniques. One of those techniques is called the box method. I'm going to show you how to do that. We break up our digits within the place they are. So this is going to be the ones. This is going to be the tens, hundreds, and thousands. So what we do is we think about this as 4,000 plus 100 plus 50 plus 8. And the same thing here. This is going to be ones. This is going to be tens. Part of my writing. And that's going to be times 20 plus 4. So how do we make a box out of that? Well, I'm glad you asked. First, we're going to draw a rectangle. Second, we're going to divide it up into however many components there are. So we have 4 and 2. That's going to be 4 by 2. So let's split that in half and a half again and half again, and then split that in half. And we're going to put our individual numbers along each of the boxes, 20 and 4. Now the purpose of doing this is to break it up into easily multipliable numbers. So what we're going to multiply is, you think about it, these are all like zeros at the end. We just got to multiply 4 and 2, right? We know that's going to be 8. Well, how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's going to be 8,000. A lot of stinking zeros. Then we got 20 times 100. Well, 2 times 1, 2. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3. 200. Excuse me, 2,000. Almost got that one wrong. And we got 20 times 50. 2 times 5 is 10. Then we got 2 more zeros. That's 1,000. 20 times 8. 2 times 8 is 16. Then we got another 0, 160. Go down here, 4 times 4 is 16 with 3 zeros. 4 times 100, 4 times 1 is 4 with 2 zeros. 4 times 5 is 20 with a 0. And 4 times 8 is 32. So you got to know your basic one-digit multiplication facts to be able to do this. At that point, we add everything up. So we're going to add all 8 of these together. Now you might say, how can I line up all 8 of those? That seems like a lot of work. You would be right. Maybe what you want to do is add 4 here and add 4 there, and then add them together. I'll leave that up to you. But typically what we do is we say 80,000. We're going to line up everything. So we have 2,000, 1,000, 160. I'm going to do 4 at a time. So we'll do this one first. So that's going to be 0, 6, 1, 3, and 8. Now let's do these. 16,000 plus 400 plus 200 plus 32. 2, 3, 6, 16. Now we can add those together. So it's a little bit less adding. Well, it's the same amount of adding, you know, but we can put these together and have a smaller thing to add together, which ultimately, you know, we want our work to look nice and neat and professional. Now I'm assuming you're going to add these together using some sort of standard algorithm. So that's going to be 2, 9, 7, 9, and 9. We got lucky. We didn't have to carry any numbers. So your final answer is 99,972. Now, as an adult with access to a calculator, I always check my work. If you don't have access to a calculator in school, then make sure you follow these steps to check your work. So if I'm going back up here, I have 4,158 times 24, 99792. Voila! That's how you do it. I hope that was helpful for you.